I just bought this grocery store and I have a big surprise for everyone. Hey everybody!
Mr. Beast again.
Attention everybody! You are now in a Mr. Beast video. Whichever one of you leaves this grocery store last wins that $250,000 right there. This is gonna be interesting. I don't know any of these people. They're not my friends. They're just random shoppers. And I'm sure they have a lot of questions. Let's go talk to them.
Do you know that you're in a Mr. Beast video right now?
Mr. What?
How long are you guys willing to stay here to win $250,000?
So I'm the last one in here.
End of the year.
As long as it takes.
Who is Mr. Beast?
You graduated college, you have no job.
No job.
Oh, he's deadly.
But others in the store do have jobs.
If I don't leave and go back to the job, I have no job after this. And I made my choice because I'm still here.
This is my manager. I'm trying to talk to her and tell her that I have to stay here.
Look, are you gonna give her a chance to win?
She has to come to work.
So for anyone who couldn't or chose not to participate,
Are you just gonna leave or do you wanna compete?
I'm not probably not going to compete.
Okay, well then fill up the cart because your groceries are free.
Oh my God.
Enjoy the free groceries. We have our first person to leave.
and once they found out about the free groceries, a lot of people just left.
Once you step on a red line, you're eliminated. All right, she's eliminated. They are dropping like flies.
But for everyone else,
Strategy to begin with was just to get as many necessities as possible.
We gotta make a house.
Nope, that's already ours.
We started our house hoping to get 2 bedrooms, a little more room for some people to sleep.
It's only day one, and alliance is already forming. Are you for in an alliance?
Yeah. I'm not gonna quit on you. Don't quit on me. As long as we're a team, we can do anything.
Fortresses are being built
all over the store,
These guys back here have literally built a fort.
that they're calling Fort Freezy because it's by the freezers.
This is gonna be our high-tech security system. Anyone tries to intrude and have to move this and wake us up.
We got a bid. We got our alliance. That group over there already been scouting us out.
And if you're wondering how we pulled this off, right after I bought this grocery store, I enacted a 50% off everything sale,
I was expecting us just to get some, 50% off groceries.
which obviously got a lot of people to show up.
And by the time the first night came in the store, the reality of living here was already starting to set in.
We got an iPhone charger. I got $10.
I'm on FaceTime with my best friend.
You're at 20%. When your phone's dead, it's dead. There's
Dead.
no phone chargers in this grocery store.
You got a point.
The contestants were allowed to use anything that's inside this grocery store.
You guys got sleeping bags?
And it was up to them if they would share their resources or keep them for themselves.
People could come and take your belongings. It's war.
All right, everybody. I just want to wish you all a good first night in the grocery store. There's officially 33 of you remaining. Good luck. I hope you sleep well on the first night.
I've never slept in a grocery store before, so.
In the following months that these contestants would spend in this grocery store, they would destroy each other's forts
What is he doing?
and prevent others from sleeping.
It's about to get crazy tonight.
They will do just about whatever it takes
I'm gonna get the biggest give back of the century.
to outlast their competitors.
And I mean it when I say this video can go as long as they want. Oh, Fort Freezy developed a lot last night.
Fort Freezy! Freezy boys for life!
Are they actually gonna let you guys lay claim to all the meat?
I don't think they have a choice.
If they want to barter for it, we're open to bartering.
And Fort Freezy weren't the only ones expanding. While they set up camp in the back of the store by the meat, another team had found a pretty interesting spot for their base. When they found this empty manager's office, they completely transformed it.
We're kind of locking ourselves in this room.
We have the whole refrigerator set up. We have a whole shopping cart.
Next to the manager's office was an alliance made up of only a father and son.
Are you going for the win or do you think you're gonna have to leave?
I think I might have to leave. I have school, I have work.
Dad, do you have work?
I go taking my vacation, stay a little bit longer.
And then in the produce section was a team calling themselves the Innovators, with one member who's doing this challenge while pregnant.
I turned 11 weeks today. Maybe the first beast baby.
And there were additional teams in some of the aisles.
You guys are very much barricaded in. It feels almost like a zombie apocalypse.
So yeah, we're locked in. We're ready.
Good mythical morning, shoppers. 250K on the line. Might as well leave now if you don't plan on staying more than a week. All right, bye-bye. Yeah, I'm gonna be here forever, dude.
By the morning of day 3, people were starting to figure out lots of different ways to sleep in a grocery store.
Wow, they've got 2 fully functioning beds over here. This is smart. Oh, you're sleeping on the shelves.
Yep, this is completely my bed.
That's the new sleeping situation.
The setup back here is really fire. There's this thing that's filled with napkins. This is a nice pillow.
The youngins over there aren't sharing their beds. They make you sleep in chairs?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Wow.
But some people couldn't stand to sleep here even one more night.
It was so cold last night. I got no sleep. I'm not gonna lie, it sucks. It sucks so much. I want to go home.
People were realizing that if they were really going to live in this grocery store, they were going to have to stay active.
Ready to start working out?
Ready.
Got the whole workout station.
This is our bench. We do bench presses.
All right, let's see it, Nolan. Wow, this is actually working very well.
These people were making the best of the space they had as well as the items they had to stay active.
If I don't leave with the money, I'm leaving with a new body.
And if they're going to be working out in here, they obviously need to shower.
I heard we built some showers.
Yes, right behind this door.
Oh, it's steamy in here.
We hang this hose up right here. So this is our shower right here. Just do this.
Yeah, and then you hang it up like that.
I'm away from home.
Wow.
And since we were now on day 4 and almost everyone's phone had died, people's families were starting to miss them. They started coming up to the front of the store just to wave at their family members through the glass.
Your boyfriend's in there. How often are you visiting him?
Every other day.
Every other day. You just stare at him through the window.
But some were trying not to lose sight of why they were here.
I'm not gonna let my guard down and leave the base. I'm probably being overprotective, but when it comes to 250 grand, I'll be as overprotective as I want.
It's only been 4 days. Over half the competition going already. Once I win this money, this is exactly how I'm gonna sleep every night.
But only one person can win this competition. And so on night 5, Xavier decided to sneak into the Dream Team's fort, where he then popped someone's pool floaty that they were using as a bed, which they noticed almost immediately.
Oh no!
We had some people think it was cute to come by and pop a hole in a floaty. This is the repair we got going on. Dude, they did my sloth dirty.
Josh and the produce aisle had a perfect view of the attack on the pool floaty, and he made sure to tell Gunner who it was right away.
My floaty's been busted, and I get word that a slimy green jumpsuit little man is stabbing floaties unprovoked.
When Xavier noticed that Josh told on him, he turned his attention to the produce aisle.
I'm sorry. How about we actually all stay up? Let's all stay up tonight. Let's all stay up. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Are you an adult?
Yeah.
Are you an adult? Are you an adult?
Are you a
Act
child?
like it.
Are you a child?
Act like it.
Who's acting like a child now?
And once the others saw what Xavier did, they took the fight back to his base.
Oh no.
Oh, so we doing that?
Yeah, we doing that.
At this point, I didn't know what was going on.
The Pop-Tarts! Not the Pop-Tarts! No!
Crazy incident happened. Pure anarchy on the sales floor.
See all that? That is what a child does. If you're gonna do a competition, your whole heart has to be in it. And I can say honestly right now, if I was to continue, my whole heart wouldn't be in it.
But the innovators weren't the only ones who were affected. The team in the milk aisle, who called themselves the Dream Team, had one member that the riot affected more than the rest.
It's starting to just get wild in here. It's my time to leave.
All right, bro. There he goes.
It's hard to believe that all this started from Xavier just popping a pool floaty.
Would you say that your goal was just to start chaos?
Organized chaos. That was not organized chaos at all.
Things were very tense. I was a bit scared, a smidge, a little stressed.
After a full day of relaxing after the riot, the store felt calmer again.
Good morning, good morning.
Part of why things felt better was Harry and Celestine, who had started to feel like the store's unofficial parents.
You know, so I'm used to working out with the younger men. We just hit it off. Everybody call home more, they call me Pop.
Not gonna lie, we met a lifelong friend here, so. Yeah.
They even gathered together to hear Harry sing some of his own music.
This is just an old song. I love you. Baby, 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 baby.
Hello, good morning, guys.
Good morning.
We have to get back to our kids, you know, our life.
We thank everybody for everything that they have done for us. We really had a nice time, really enjoyed it.
You will be missed.
Hearing that you are thinking about getting out.
I am getting out.
Oh, you are getting out?
Yeah.
So tell me why.
Well, I'm 3 months pregnant. I've got a 3-year-old at home and a husband.
That's baby mama right there, y'all. Baby mama.
Everyone had been respectful enough to let the pregnant mother and older couple sleep in peace. But with them now gone, the team in the manager's office decided that that courtesy was now over.
It is 3 o'clock in the morning, boys and girls. Let's have some fun. Harry's not here. We truly do miss you, but this is what we wanted to do for a week now.
Fellas, 4 in the morning. Let's make some freaking noise, boys.
All right, gang. I'm going, guys.
But they didn't stop at just one elimination.
You're literally gonna have to do this every night until they leave.
If you guys have a hard time sleeping tonight, I can guarantee you're gonna have a hard time sleeping every night for the rest of this week.
We are not leaving, so now is your chance to leave. You are wasting time if you're sitting in this grocery store right now. I'm unemployed.
The incessant noise was driving everyone insane.
I don't care for Robbie at all. I don't really want to participate with anybody anymore. I'm kind of tired of everybody now.
And it was enough to send Tino right over the edge. And after he left, Tino's elimination sparked a unity between Fort Freezy and the Dream Team, the ultimate boys club.
The Freezy Boys / the Dream Team are now a thing.
Which to me looked like an unstoppable force.
I will be coming out here with 250Ks.
I like to win.
I'm not leaving here just to leave here.
But that didn't go exactly as planned.
Party in the back. Josh, watch your foot. It's my own careless mistake, so I gotta go. It's my time.
And come nightfall, the noisemakers were at it again.
Tonight's about to be terrible, Odin. You ready to lock in?
No sleep, no sleep. Get up!
Here you go, the evil make sound again.
They really want to get people out of this store.
I decided that I don't want to stay here.
I'm ready to go. I'm sorry.
I can't do it.
But making all this noise did have an unintended side effect, because Juan could somehow sleep through all this madness. He would get up super early in the morning to give them their own medicine.
Work sleep schedule is off the chain.
No.
No, Bo?
Too much noise.
No?
¿Por qué?
Ay, 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 ay. Canta, no lloren.
Up to this point, Juan had been pretty unproblematic, so people couldn't really tell if this was strategy or just boredom.
Is he trying to do that to piss us off?
It's the only reason.
It takes so hard to be mad at the guy.
Juan, shut up.
Good morning.
But noise or not, one thing that affected everyone was the harsh reality that life beyond these walls was passing them by.
You will never regret going to your son.
It's life-changing money, but I feel like I'm missing out.
I sure do miss them. Every day I'm in here, the longer I go, I feel more guilty staying.
It was obvious that missing time with your children was one of the hardest things you could face in this challenge. So when Juan sent his son home,
He had to leave. Yeah, I'm leaving soon.
I couldn't believe it.
I have to go to school.
And it just goes to show how determined he was for his family.
It's good money, I know. It's good money, but I have to go back to school. Love you. I'm missing everybody for...
And it was starting to seem like being on your own in here might even be a better strategy.
It's what you said. It's what you said.
Because after all, these alliances heavily relied on one another to survive in here. I was even seeing full-on communities being formed.
Gunner, you want chicken sandwich?
However, it only takes one bad seed to bring down a community. See, when I built this grocery store, I added a lot of useful items like these burners for cooking, and fun things like this basketball hoop, which seemed to be the only thing that kept these people entertained. If they couldn't play basketball, a lot of them would probably leave. Which meant that Xavier knew exactly how to hit them the hardest.
I haven't got my hands dirty in a while. Original plan with the basketball, just throw the whole ball away. Nobody's stressed, nobody's bothered, peaceful time. But I want to have my own scene where I just want to be the star of the show. So I'm going to plant the basketball in Robbie's dumpster. So if they do go dumpster diving looking for it, Robbie, it's you. Bye.
And for once, the morning was completely silent. But that also made it obvious that something was up.
Hey, do you see basketball?
You know, got it, my friend.
Somebody took our basketball.
It's somewhere in here.
We are definitely going to find it.
It's funny how the very thing that keeps everyone up in the morning is also the only thing that keeps them sane during the day.
No one's innocent right now.
So needless to say, they were struggling without it.
Bro, this sucks.
Y'all wouldn't have taken the fall, would y'all?
I didn't sleep all day.
Get the basketball.
You got basketball.
No, me no got it.
Who has it?
But now Xavier could sit back and watch the alliances crumble, being the only person who truly knew where it was. Or so he thought.
I know who took the basketball.
Really?
Zay. He put it in the trash can.
When Xavier was throwing out the basketball, he didn't know it, but Autumn was there watching him the entire time.
That sucks. That's so stupid. He sees us playing every day with it. That was our only entertainment, is shooting a basketball.
Are you gonna tell?
Might go tell him right now. Basketball gone. Trash can gone. Zay threw it away.
Huh?
Where's he at?
Hey, Zay. Come here. Hey, Zay.
She said you threw away our basketball.
Autumn said I threw away the basketball. I've literally been asleep.
She said she watched you throw it to the dumpster people, and the dumpster people took the trash out and like took the ball away.
What dumpster people? I haven't even seen people take out the trash.
I didn't say I physically seen you do it. I said maybe you did, maybe you didn't.
No, there was never a maybe in the conversation. You said Zay threw it to the trash can people.
Yeah, I really wish that I could have a reason to why my name was even brought up.
That was the dumbest thing you could have done.
How is it dumb? It's a competition.
He red as a tomato. She knows she got caught lying. Everybody in here, including Zay now, is against you.
I should have just said nothing, bruh.
Am I the villain? Of course.
Even though Xavier was originally trying to frame Robbie, the hiccup in his plan still put a target on someone's back, and it was getting to her fast.
Autumn realized no one is talking to her, and she is tucked away in her corner. Not even Xavier.
Not with her whatsoever. She hasn't noticed that every time she walks up on me, I'm walking away right now.
Bruh. You're not really mad at me, are you?
I don't want to talk. I don't want to do anything.
The video just gets harder and harder for these contestants. All this food goes bad within the next 30 days.
I think the bread also all went bad today.
Oh, okay, show me around.
This is actually the big part that I love, and it's my bed.
Whoa. Are you sleeping well?
Yeah, I was in the military, and they made me sleep in fighting holes and empty tents and metal frames of beds.
I would hate to compete against him.
Miss Angel yet? Yeah. I mean, it's every man for themselves at the end of the day, but it's always nice to have friends to get through with it with.
I just feel like money can't replace time. But yeah, it makes it harder too, because like I quit my job coming in here, and I'm just ready to see my son, really. I think I'm ready to go. My child needs me, and 3 weeks is a long time for any mom to be away from their child.
And after seeing Autumn leave the store and get to go home to her son, Robbie decided that the 20 days in here is far too long away from his daughter.
I genuinely thought like I could 100% win this, but I'm not gonna be in here for 3 months and miss my kid's life. Red line. There goes 250 grand. It's crazy.
And told y'all as soon as I walked into the store, I said everything's a calculated plan. I was like soaked up all of the Robbie slander into my body and transformed into a new being. So, on that note, deuces.
With Autumn taking all the heat for stealing the basketballs, Xavier felt invincible.
They crucified her. It's not the fact that they hate Autumn because she lied. It's the fact that I have them hating her because she told the truth. Cue the evil music.
It seemed Xavier wanted to be the villain of the grocery store. And he wanted everyone to know it.
Like, I was really crying and lying to them. I was like, do you not think that I'm capable of flying through tears?
You were scary. I like Zay a lot, but I don't trust him.
That's what I told the boys, so be careful with them.
I mean, they don't like him though.
No.
And the Dream Team had a plan to take advantage of that.
We have decided in controlling the food.
Since they're in a grocery store, and a lot of the food requires cooking, they teamed up with Fort Freezy and targeted the one item everyone needed to heat it up.
So what if we took their burners?
Well, it comes right back to us if we have a burner.
What if we blame it on Zay?
That's the best way we can do it. We gotta pin it on Zay.
So once Fatima had left, and they were officially down to the top 10, they came up with the perfect plan to steal all the burners.
Tomorrow we're gonna have a ceremony right here.
They decided on having a top 10 ceremony as a distraction to steal the burners.
For the top 10 ceremony, we're gonna bring everybody back here.
When the lights go off.
Oh, lights are off. Oh, top 10.
Once they had cleared the sales floor,
Come on, everybody back there.
and everyone but Colin was all gathered up,
Hey, you about ready?
Yeah, I'm coming.
All right, Colin's about to get dressed, I guess. Everybody get like right here, shortest to tallest right here, starting with Zay.
the coast was now clear for Colin to come out of the shower and rush to steal all 4 burners before anyone notices how long he's been gone. He quickly stole the burners the office team left in the open, but time is running out.
Is this everybody?
No, Colin
will get back there.
Hurry up, Colin! Coming.
With 2 of the burners secure, he went to steal ones next. But unfortunately, that was the only burner they didn't know the exact location of.
We're missing Colin.
Where's Colin?
Where's Colin?
God, where is it? While Colin was struggling to find the burner, the rest of his alliance were doing their best to keep everyone distracted.
So what are we doing right now? We're just gonna chill and then wait? I had something else to say. I can't remember what it was.
He rushed over to the bread aisle to steal theirs from their hiding spot on the top shelf. And the final step was to hide all the burners and rush back to the group.
So what are we doing right now? We're chilling right now.
We're missing Colin.
Where's Colin?
You ready?
Yeah.
And now that Colin was back with the group, they needed someone to pin all the missing burners on.
Zay, come on.
So they brought everyone in the walk-in freezer and interviewed them one at a time.
Do you have enough endurance to be the last one here?
It was crucial that Xavier got interviewed first,
Thank you.
so that he would be the first person back in the store where he'd be there long enough to steal all the burners. Well, all but Juan.
I couldn't find Juan's.
Are you serious? You didn't find it?
Bro, I literally looked everywhere.
Everything was going perfect. I thought we got all four. This changes things.
We gotta figure out a plan for that.
Soon after the ceremony, Eldine noticed their burner was missing.
Where's our burner? Did you not move it? No.
Did Gunner take it?
It could be Gunner.
We still have our burner?
Juan, do you have your burner?
Yes.
You have it?
Sure. Yes.
Someone took ours.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
And just as planned, all eyes were on Xavier.
What'd you take?
What do you mean?
We're missing something.
What are y'all missing?
Burners.
Oh no, I have no idea actually. I promise to God. I literally have been in there this whole time.
Everybody's burners are gone except for Juan's.
I have not taken anybody's burners.
It was seeming like Bryce and Cullen's plan was a success.
Told you, bro. We played it perfect.
Because those left out of the plan had their minds made up.
He knows where it was.
It's scary. Like, he is really good at lying.
You think it's him? Yeah, I know it's him.
As you can see, it's taken a lot to get this far and be a part of the top 10.
Which is why Square, the sponsor of this video, has a little surprise for all of you. Square powers neighborhood businesses all over the world. And so, as a reward for making it to the top 10, every time one of you leaves this store, you will receive a curated gift box from neighborhood businesses that Square and myself support, as well as $5,000 in cash. You won't have to be going home empty-handed thanks to Square.
Thank you, Square.
And now that I said that,
Do any of you want to leave and take this offer right now?
I'm ready to leave.
oh, you're ready to leave?
Yeah.
If you leave, that will be the last of the Innovators team.
Does anyone else want to leave right now, or is it just her?
I will be coming out here with 250K. Obviously, Freezy Boys for life. Shout out to Freezy Boys. I'd love to win, but if I'm taking a bribe, I'd love to take a bribe sooner rather than later. Yeah, I think I'm ready to leave too.
Really? Wait, you want to leave as well?
Yeah.
Chris, no!
Chris. I think I'm ready.
Well, boys, take it outside, and remember, from now on, anyone that leaves gets all of these products from local businesses, and thanks to Square, each of you will be given $5,000 in cash.
Oh, they're both out! Oh my gosh! Your family's right around the corner. You want to go say hi to them? Where's the boys? How's it feel to see them again?
Amazing.
Aw, that's so cute. Thanks for coming out. Of course. Take care. Take care. Have fun in the outside world. Okay, it's me and you. Did you actually take it?
No, I did not take the burners.
Wait, then who took them?
Colin was the last person to walk back there for our ceremony.
Wait, are you implying that someone set that up so they could frame
yes.
you?
I'm mad that I didn't think of it myself.
Really?
Yes, because it was a pretty smart idea.
With Juan being the only one left with the burner, and Bryce and Cullen's plan left unfinished,
We gotta figure out a plan for that.
they decided to take advantage of his burner in hopes of pushing him to his breaking point.
Tomorrow no cook. Tell the other guys. Huh? This is not working no more.
Okay, we can't eat, you can't eat.
Get a box truck ready. All the food is going out the store tonight. It's not an if, and, or but. It's an ultimatum.
After gathering a secret stash for themselves, of course,
I don't want to look at another sardine in my life.
they started getting as much food out of the store as possible. And the next day, Juan was not happy at all.
You take all the food. The food is for everybody, no? Right?
What person would tell someone, no more hot meals?
Tomorrow no cook. Tell the other guys. Huh? It's not my fault. We come and take the other burners. It's not my fault.
So the same way you don't want to share that, we can take all the food and throw it out the door and donate it.
All right.
That's it. Good talk.
But Gunnar wanted to take it one step further, stealing all of Juan's cookware.
Goodbye, pots.
What are you doing?
No more pot.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Next.
Don't do that, my friend.
I asked to use your burner. That's what we asked.
I don't care. I say no.
Okay, and your pans are gone. Big deal.
You understand what I say no?
I'm fine. I can eat off crackers. I can eat off beef.
Go ahead. You respect me. I respect you.
I don't respect you at all. That's the
Okay.
difference.
And once all the food was gone, they started just tearing the store apart. And after this, it seems Juan just isolated himself for the rest of the day.
Live long enough to see yourself gonna do.
The entire grocery store was on the verge of complete and total anarchy.
Anna was gonna give me her cooker, so there's no reason why I would have broken, stolen, or misplaced it.
So we're done. Where's the bag at?
And this was Xavier's breaking point.
What's up, guys? Why don't we wake up and smell the roses? Where was all that bark y'all had before? Bring it back. I like that one. I like that version of y'all better.
And after almost 24 hours of this, The dream team decided enough is enough.
Hey, Zay, come here. I want to talk to you.
I'm not above a conversation.
I'm gonna start off with an apology. We ain't gotta make it miserable for each other. We can hang out. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's what I've wanted. I wanted just to chill.
So do you want to come to an agreement on this, or?
No, honestly, I don't.
Imagine you were in my shoes. You're laying down.
I have been.
Imagine if you were in his shoes.
Listen to this. How about this? Because he did everything first.
This is y'all's strategy, and he's just doing it better.
Things are heating up, and I'm about to give them an option that can make things a lot harder. Completely up to them. Let's see what they decide. Raise your hand and really think about this if you want me to make this video harder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, go get the boards.
Copy that.
Throughout this entire challenge, seeing their loved ones through the glass has been a major source of encouragement. So for day 30,
if you have people you care about out there, I would say goodbye while you still can. Slap those on there.
I'm sorry.
They voted to make this harder. This is the consequence.
Oh, you gotta do it again? I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's too cute. I feel bad now.
Me and Eladine's family has been coming here every day, so like, it didn't make it harder.
It'll be over soon.
over sooner for some than others.
I think I'm just gonna leave, and but I'm gonna take their sleeping bags with me. Oh, I'm about to tear up.
No, you're good, dog.
I feel like I've showed every aspect of myself, like the good, the bad, the ugly, and I don't want to stay here to see more of the ugly. I hate being that way. I hate that. I hate that.
Xavier had made his decision, but he wasn't going to go peacefully.
I do want my revenge. Oh, trust me, I do want y'all sleeping while I come to walk back on. I wanted to have a better outgoing on this.
So he snuck into the Dream Team's base and stole all their sleeping bags.
Bye! Goodbye. Bye.
You will never beat me! I don't care about the sleep bags. As long as he's gone and I beat him, that's all I care about.
Oh my God, I was so relieved.
Just know that I won the battle.
But Xavier wasn't the only one leaving tonight.
It's been over a month here, and I'm ready to be gone. G Frank's out.
Love you, game. Love you, twin.
Made some memories, had some fun, but I'm ready to roll.
Top 6, baby! Woo!
At the end of the day, the Dream Team's plan worked. So they returned the burners.
We got them all.
They were able to fish their sleeping bags back inside.
Zay, just another reminder, even after you left, you'll still never win.
And peace seemed to be restored. But quickly, the real challenge settled in.
Dude, we're really bored.
Crippling boredom.
Give us some action here, golly.
The contestants were fighting boredom with anything they could, like sleeping in.
I woke up at 4 o'clock.
Ain't nothing else to do here but sleep.
I go back to sleep until I literally can't sleep anymore. This is how I pass the time.
You want to go ahead and start moving shelves?
They stayed busy breaking down shelves, cleaning and playing games.
Oh.
But despite their best efforts,
I'm so good at this.
at some point, the boredom became inescapable.
Last 2 weeks, nothing's really been going on, and that's what's probably going to continue to happen.
Along with the thoughts of everything that they were missing.
I can't believe we've been in a grocery store for 40 days.
We haven't seen the outside world. We haven't gave anybody a hug.
I've been here 40 days with him. He hasn't given me one single hug, so.
You want one right now? No.
But no matter how hard it got, all of them seemed determined to stay in the challenge.
I can stay a year, 2 years, no problem.
There is no plan on how long we'll be here for. I guess we can stay here forever.
We're just going to wait till Mr. Beast comes back.
Everybody's just waiting on Mr. Beast to come.
Why don't we just TP the whole place?
They've proven that they are willing to push themselves. So I think it's time we give them an off. It's been a while, boys! There's a lot more toilet paper this time around.
We got bored.
I need you all to pick a leader. I'll explain more once you pick one. Step forward if you want to be the leader. Okay. It's got a vote on it. Anyone else? Okay.
I do it as well.
Juan, you want to be a leader? Yeah. Go on over. You all get one vote.
Hello, Jackson.
Go to Jackson.
You're both voting for Jackson? Who are you voting for?
I got my brother.
You can't vote for yourself.
One.
I guess one.
Juan, who are you voting for? You're going to vote for him?
Yeah.
You're the leader. Come on in. I'm convinced you guys are willing to die in this grocery store. So I think we start incentivizing people to leave. Here's $50,000. You cannot take any of this, but you can offer it to them in exchange for leaving. You could pay one person 50 grand to leave, 2 people 25 grand to leave, or you could offer no one any money and just push it out the door. But if no one leaves, no one gets money.
I can make this shorter. I'd leave right now for $50,000.
But wait, before you give the money away, you might be able to get 2 people out.
Would anybody else want to leave today?
Juan, what's your number? Would you leave for 25 grand? I don't know. Factually, only one person is winning this $250,000. Some of you saying no are just gonna go home with nothing. This is crazy. This video might go on for years after this. I'm trying.
Are you comfortable offering 30? I can go put it up there.
Put it out there.
All right, come on, boys. The next person to step out wins $30,000 plus the $5,000 from Square. Cold, hard cash.
It's an awesome experience being in the grocery store. Real big highs, real low lows. All right, let's do it.
He's really about to get out?
It's fun.
Yeah, just pick up all 3 crates. Take care. And now 5 remain.
It's the best day of my life. Woo! Who can complain with $35,000, 5 from Square? I'm just finally ready to go home.
They said no to this money, so the offer's off the table, boys.
5 people out of 100 left. Insane, bro.
With only 5 contestants remaining, it was obvious that loyalties were about to be tested.
I'm gonna keep my alliance with Colin for sure, but if it comes down to it, I can also join up with the brothers.
There's no trusting anybody anymore. The closest people that you thought were to you, they aren't. Anybody can do anything.
Attention contestants, there is a red button in the middle of the grocery store.
Hey, bring me this.
If you want me to make the video harder, I just need one of you to press that red button. That is all I'll say.
How much time do we got?
The button's never leaving.
Oh, dude.
You know we're not doing it.
Yeah, we're not doing this, so it's up to y'all.
All right, well, let's think about it.
Everyone was hesitant about pressing the button.
That's scary.
We just need to wait for like a day or two.
For my case, I don't want to affect nobody.
Well, except for Colin.
No, I think we should press it. They'll live their whole life in here. They're enjoying it. I think it's best for the 3 of us if we press the button.
Yeah.
With Jackson convinced, there was no going back.
Go ahead and press it.
Colin's
Hold on.
So you guys want it harder in here? Can the 5 of you help me figure out where roughly is the halfway mark?
Oh my gosh. How are we going to use the bathroom?
Oh, I bought a couple porta potties. These beams, these are probably the halfway mark.
No, I think down there is.
So we'll just
not right there.
We'll just put a line right here. And while I'm painting this red line, I'll give you 5 minutes to grab things on that side of the store. Have fun.
I got the fish. I'll go over here.
Hey, painters, get to work. Let's do it.
Go get a cart.
We don't need a cart.
I'm coming. Grab what matters.
Oh yeah, good idea.
Get it while you can.
Get enough chairs for everybody. You got everybody's?
60 seconds, boys. Oh. Hey, he's loading up on cheese. All that's gonna be out of play very soon. 3, 2, 1. That side of the store is now off limits. All right, well, I'm gonna let the painters do their thing, and yeah.
Bye, Jimmy.
Not only was their space just cut in half, they lost access to sunlight, the shower, the bathroom.
Oh my gosh.
There's Coke Zeros. We'll wash dishes with Coke Zeros.
How are we going to brush our teeth without a sink? Bro, this is
We have water. We have toothbrushes. We have Dasani water. You go like this.
This is gotta be stressful.
Well, it's gone now. Oh my God, Jimmy's here.
You wouldn't happen to know where Colin is, would you? Last night, not even 12 hours after I put the line up, Colin made a careless mistake.
Colin, no way.
Jimmy's here.
Knock, knock. Mr. Colin, do you remember rubbing your hand on the red line over there that I told you if you touched, you'd be out?
Yeah.
Why'd you do that?
It's kind of just like heat of the moment kind of thing.
I literally just put that line up.
Yeah.
All right, we gotta head out, man. You're eliminated.
All right.
Welcome. It's been fun, bro.
Good one.
Take care, boys.
Bye, Colin.
Any last words?
Yeah, you spend 50 days in a grocery store with one goal, to not touch the red line.
4 people left.
We're getting closer to getting up out of here.
Top of the morning. How's everybody doing today? We have something very fun. We're going to be donating your food. Everything that's across the red line, we're taking the dairy products, cheese.
This is a great thing that we're going to be able to do to help some people out. This is going to help over 10,000 people in need.
Despite losing their food, the contestants had started adjusting to their new space.
We had a shower until the red line. Rayhan had a great idea, finding us water from the produce section.
I called Juan over and me and him tore it. All of this apart. Now we have fresh water.
Coming from the line. So the boys have a shower. You have your bucket of water and you bathe yourself. So slide this.
Where'd you go?
Can't see nothing. You fresh.
You look good.
I'm happy today.
But their morale boost from the new shower was short-lived.
Somebody's coming.
No way, dude.
Oh my God.
So, as you boys can see, there seems to be a giant red button on the floor.
Is it now that we click it and it gets easier?
If you want to press the button and find out, you're more than welcome to.
We're not gonna press it. No.
Everyone seemed to agree that they shouldn't touch the button.
I'm not pressing that button anytime soon. I don't think anybody is.
Yeah, that button is definitely cursed. Y'all are probably wondering, how have you been in a grocery store for 50 plus days? I've been working out, making food, and making friends.
Let's go.
And that's how it is. Look at us now. Top 4.
Oh my God. That's what it's all about, guys. Chilling and friendly competition. And we're having a blast out here, guys. Like my childhood all over again.
Yo, it's been 2 weeks, boys.
Hey.
Jimmy.
Did you miss me?
Yes, it is.
If I were to put a soccer goal in here, where would that go? Maybe that over there? Bring in the soccer goal! Okay, I hope you guys are ready for a challenge. Coca-Cola wanted me to give each of you a chance to win tickets to the 2026 FIFA World Cup.
Oh.
All you have to do to win it is score a goal on Madge.
I'm the best goalkeeper in the nation.
Don't you remember when you covered up his kid in the window?
So sorry, I'm sorry.
Oh, man.
And what's cool about the 20-ounce Coke is you can peel off the label and see if you can collect all 12 Panini limited edition stickers featuring 12 of the best soccer players in the world. All right, who wants to kick first?
I'll go first.
All right, come on, Jackson, let's see it.
Here's my ticket.
Yeah, I'll hold it. Will he win a ticket?
I thought I saved that one.
Jackson is officially going to the FIFA World Cup. And if you want to be like them, grab a 20-ounce Coke and see if you can collect all 12 Panini limited edition stickers. Oh, no!
A little too much mustard there.
Let me take that from you. Let me just, I could have just put that in my car. You didn't have to.
Yep, it's gone. Even if he wins this ticket, he might still be in here when the FIFA World Cup comes around.
That is a good point, actually.
Is he winning it? Let's go! Here you go. All right, you're going without your brother to the FIFA World Cup. And now it is Juan's turn. One. Congrats on the FIFA World Cup, minus, one of them. And for everyone else, don't forget to peel the label off your next 20-ounce Coke to collect the Panini limited edition stickers featuring 12 of the best soccer players in the world. You're not pressing the button, you're not making this harder on each other. How long you guys got?
We're chilling. We're having a good time. We're all together every single day. We're playing cornhole. We're playing volleyball. We're playing RC cars.
No one wants to make it harder.
No.
No, we're good.
I guess I'll see you guys in a week for $1 million decision.
What does that mean? I'm excited.
Yeah, excited too.
Jimmy dropped the $1 million decision next week.
What? What do you mean?
What does that mean?
Oh, $4 million is a lot of money.
Over the next week, the reality of leaving this grocery store with life-changing money was setting in for all of them.
For $1 million, people are going to do some crazy stuff. So, I mean, I'm going to do some crazy stuff for $1 million.
If I were to win this money, I would love to take it and give back to the community.
My family is, we need because I never got the money and we work all the time.
$1 million decision, bro. Whatever it is to make my freaking family proud.
Despite the pressure of this decision, the guys went out of their way to do something nice for Juan on his birthday.
We have his cake made. We have the potato donkey made. We have his piñata made. Let's make this man the best birthday that he's ever had.
All right, go get on.
Juan, come here. I gotta show you something. Come here.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Juan. Happy birthday to you. Hey.
We're gonna eat this after. We got some surprises for you.
Oh, we got the piñata.
Give it a whack.
So Juan broke the piñata, and now he's playing his spin the tail game.
Thank you for this moment for me. I happy. You gotta be hard, everyone. I love you guys.
We love you too, Juan.
Love you too, dude.
Juan's birthday made for a nice distraction, but the $1 million was still all they could think about.
$1 million decision.
$1 million deal, dude.
I just hope we end out on top.
And on day 67, it was time for them to find out what I had in store.
Boys!
Jimmy!
What's going on?
This entire video, you've been competing for $250,000. Would you like to compete for $1 million instead of $250K?
Whoa.
Boys, bring it on in! If you don't mind just speeding it up a little bit.
It's a lot of money.
There is now $1 million in front of you. If you guys decide to change this video from a last to leave the grocery store to letting me restock it and eating everything in the grocery store wins $1 million.
Jax doesn't want to get fat. Rayhan doesn't want to get fat.
Oh, I'm glad you brought that up. That's why we'd also build a gym in the back and give you guys your very own nutritionist and personal trainer.
Oh my gosh.
What if I also told you we'd build you beds, give you showers, make it a lot more enjoyable?
Wow. I mean, what's kind of making this hard for you?
A wife and 2 kids.
Okay, that's a lot. It's a big decision.
This opportunity will never form ever again. To have this much money in front of us.
I knew it was not going to be that easy, though.
I can stay.
You can
See,
stay.
I can stay a year, 2 years. The problem is, have to eat it and eat it.
Well, I wouldn't even stress that if I were you. You don't have help. You have training, you have gym.
Am I restocking this store, quadrupling the prize pool, and turning you guys from enemies into teammates? Jackson, yes or no?
Stock the store.
Stock the store. 1.
Stay in the store.
Stock it, dude.
Stock it?
Stock it up, brother.
Oh my gosh! Okay, this video is over. The prize pool is now $1 million. Restock the store. $1 million if they eat everything in this store. See you in a year.